Okay, so before you can actually complete your first session and start your PEP, you need to finish your aim and planning, so section 1. And all the bullet points here need to be in section 1. And what you can do is you can use these as subtitles and then take them out at the end to save your word count. But you do need a subtitle of aim and planning, and then you can start. So here they've got an introduction. It says interpret and analyze data of fitness tests. So before you can say, I want to improve my cardiovascular fitness, you need to explain that you've done some fitness tests. So I've done some fitness tests in order to recognise my strengths and weaknesses. And you don't need to tell me your results, you just see appendix 2. So if I go to appendix 2, the results will be there. And that's how it should work throughout your whole coursework. So then they've said, flexibility is excellent, however, my reaction time isn't so good. And then we've got to justify which component of fitness you want to improve. And this has to be supported by your performance data as well and your sport. So although she's got really bad reaction time, she's actually chosen to improve her agility because it links to her performance, and it's essential that we keep referring back to performance and the sports in which your PEP is focusing on. And they've explained why they've picked agility and linked it in to performing better in the set plays of a centre pass and being able to outwit and dodge opponents, which is brilliant. And then we've got a section, so how are we going to improve agility? How are we going to improve cardiovascular fitness? And you need to explain that why and how you've picked that method. So this person here has picked circuit training, and they need to link it back to the actual contents that you learnt on circuit training. And the key words and the terminology, advantages and disadvantages, need to be accurate and the same as what we learn. And it needs to be modelled and applied in your coursework, because you're basically taking knowledge out the course and putting it into your practical coursework. So it's important that everything transfers from book to coursework. Then obviously using that, we've got a fitness target, so improve your Illinois agility test, and a performance target, and I'll do a separate video on that. But this is just a general video on finishing your introduction, your aim and planning. Then we've applied the principles of training, and that is it, done for the section 1. So you need to get that much done before you can even carry that out. And once you've done that, you need to send it to either myself, Miss Kerr, or Mr. Macaulay, so we can mark and check it. And then once you've done that, you should be nearly ready to get going on your programme. Okay, so everyone needs to get section 1, aim and planning, done. Okay.